Passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement. It's income that flows in regularly without requiring constant active participation in a traditional job. Passive income streams can provide financial security, financial independence, and the freedom to pursue other interests. Here's everything you need to know about passive income. 1. Types of passive income. Investment income. Earnings from investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, which can include dividends, interest, or capital gains. Rental income. Earnings from owning and renting out real estate properties, like residential or commercial properties. Royalties. Income earned from the use of intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, or royalties from creative works like books, music, or software. Business income. Passive income can be generated from owning a business or franchise if you have a hands-off role in its management. Dividend stocks. Regular dividend payments from stocks can be a source of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending. Earnings from lending money to individuals or businesses through online lending platforms. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Investing in REITs can provide income from real estate investments without owning physical properties. Affiliate marketing, earnings from promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales through your referral link. Automated online businesses, earnings from online businesses like e-commerce stores, blogs, or YouTube channels that generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, or product sales. 2. Benefits of passive income. Financial freedom. Passive income can provide financial stability and reduce reliance on a traditional 9-to-5 job. Time freedom. It allows you to have more free time to pursue hobbies, travel, or spend time with family. Diversification. Passive income sources can diversify your income streams, reducing financial risk. Wealth building. Over time, passive income can accumulate and help build wealth. 3. Building passive income. Invest. Invest in income-producing assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or dividend-paying stocks. Start a business, begin a business, or acquire an existing one that can be managed with minimal day-to-day involvement. Create intellectual property. Write a book, develop software, or create content that can generate royalties or licensing income. Rental properties. Invest in real estate properties that can be rented out for recurring rental income. Automated online ventures. Build online businesses that generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and reinvest the dividends to increase your holdings. 4. Challenges of passive income. Initial effort. Building passive income streams often requires significant upfront effort, time, and capital. Risk. Some passive income investments come with inherent risks, such as market fluctuations or tenant issues in real estate. Management. Even though passive income requires less active involvement, it may still require monitoring and occasional decision-making. Knowledge, understanding. Different passive income strategies and investments is essential to make informed choices. 5. Tax considerations. Passive income is subject to taxation, and tax rates can vary depending on the type of income and your location. Tax planning and structuring investments efficiently can help minimize tax liabilities. 6. Diversification. It's advisable to diversify your passive income sources to spread risk and increase overall financial stability. 7. Financial planning. Develop a financial plan that includes both active and passive income sources to achieve your financial goals. 8. Long-term approach. Building significant passive income typically takes time and a long-term perspective. Be patient and persistent. 9. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, tax professionals, or experts in specific passive income fields to make informed decisions. Passive income can be a valuable addition to your financial portfolio, providing financial freedom and flexibility. However, it's important to approach passive income strategies wisely. Seek professional advice when needed, and be prepared to put in the initial effort to build sustainable sources of passive income.